welcome to my channel. Today I have a new unboxing for makeup. First, this brush from Paul and Joe is for eyes. Hello, we see you are always. For eyes. And the best channel makeup unboxing. This is the brush. First, ta-da! Lotion Pureté. My skin is very oily and I use always lotion. It's green. Second one, gloss from Chanel also. It's pink color. And the last one is a new mascara, the 3D, the Volume Revolution in black. I never open it until I use it. And the staff gave me 3 samples. First, Coco Mademoiselle perfume. I like this perfume very much. This is serum from the eye. And the last one is Camellia water cream. The staff told me that this is for oily skin. That's all, everyone. Thank you for watching. We see, say goodbye.